Tell me one thing that's more powerful than a red lip. I always feel so confident when I'm wearing red lipstick, and I'm constantly inspired by the greats. Marilyn Monroe, Gwen Stefani, kick-ass women who rock red lipstick with confidence. But I know that it can be an intimidating shade. So I wanted to share a few tips on how I started to incorporate red lip liners and red lipstick into my makeup routine. I'm going to be using some of the new beauties from the Home Beauty Holiday Collection. I've got 2 of their lip liners and their lip lock in Grace. And I'm going to create a look that can be worn year round, that doesn't just have to be reserved for the holidays. Let's start by prepping the lips. This is key to a flawless red lip look. You're going to want to use an exfoliating sugar scrub to just buff the lips to remove any dead skin, and then go in with a nourishing lip balm to hydrate and give it a lot of nourishment so your lip products have a really beautiful base to sit on. Let's start with lip liners, and if you're using a lip liner that's smooth and creamy, then I find sometimes that's all I need for my lip look, and I often won't apply a lip gloss or a lipstick over the top. Now this one here is Grace from Home Beauty, and it's a long-lasting lip liner that doesn't tug at the skin, so you're getting a really smooth application. The other great thing about starting with a lip liner is that you can start small and build up, and you can also blend the liner out if you want a softer and more diffused look. So it's not as intense as a bold red lip, but it's a good entry point to getting there. Lip liners aren't just for lining the lips. You can also fill in the lips for a complete lip look. Now, I love how this looks. It was very easy to apply. It's very comfortable to wear. And I find that this is a great entry point for dipping your toe into wearing a red lip before you intensify to something bolder. The other great thing about lip liners is that you can use multiple shades to create shadow and light. So I'm going to use the shade Frida by Home Beauty, which is a darker shade than Grace, and I'm going to apply it strategically just under my bottom lip and a little bit on the edges, and softly blend it out to create the illusion of fuller lips. Now this might only be a subtle difference, but I love the dimension that it's added to my lips. Now if you happen to draw outside of your natural lip line, you can easily clean it up using a concealer and a lip brush. Just use a small amount of product and just trace around the edges and blend it out for a really polished look. So now that you're feeling comfortable wearing a red lip liner, let's take things to the next level by applying your favorite red lip product over the top. This could be a red lipstick, a matte liquid lipstick, a lip gloss, or in my case, I'm going to use the new Home Beauty Lip Lock in the shade Grace and apply it over the top of my lip liner for a bolder look and to intensify the finish. So as you can see, just by applying the other lip product on top of the liner, it completely transforms the look. In this case, it's more of a high shine finish, it's more vibrant, I'm feeling a lot more confident, and I just love how it makes me feel. Now, if you're still on the fence about wearing a red lip, I want this to be your permission slip to just give it a go. Start by wearing it at home and see how it makes you feel. I guarantee in time, you're going to feel a lot more comfortable and confident and ready to rock that red lip for the outside world.